Introduce short picture overview of ECHALLENGE Remanufactured ink cartridge replacement, for Epson 812XL 812XL T812 ink with upgrade chip version to use with Workforce Pro WF7310, WF7820, WF7840, ECC7000 printer. You enter R here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.